Just wanted to say something very quickly, just to the Cooking With This Guy army, 25 strong. Thank you so much for subscribing to me. To new subscribers who, could be watching the video right now, I would love if you hit subscribe there on the channel. There'll be a link here or here. It'll be somewhere. Look, I tell you what, I have arrows pointing to it, so you know exactly where to click. But that's where I need to click. Click there, then you are a subscriber to Cooking With This Guy, and we grow the army. We're 25 strong, guys. Let's get it up there. Thanks again. I really appreciate it, and let's get going. Millionaire Shortbread, it's not going to make itself. And for all of you asking, this is not inside out. This is the way it's supposed to be worn. Welcome back to the channel, Cooking With This Guy. It's me. We are going to make Millionaire Shortbread. Now, what that comprises of is a shortbread base, right? Lovely, simple. A caramel sauce, again, simple. And then the last thing, kind of a chocolate topping, again, simple. Okay, so we're going to kick off with the base, the shortbread base. You can do this by hand, and you could, no issue at all. It's just the last time I did something like this by hand, it didn't really work out. So I'm going to do it with a food processor. Right, so the flour's in, the caster sugar's in, and the butter's in. What we're going to do here, guys, is just pulse it for about 10-20 seconds or so, just until we have like a breadcrumb consistency. And that's going to be fantastic for our shortbread. Okay, so something that I have learned from even just putting up the last couple of videos, I did a video on scones, right? They didn't turn out well. I'll put a link up here somewhere you can have a look at it. But one of the comments on the video actually said the reason why they looked horrendous was because I worked the dough too much. So hence why, firstly, I'm using the food processor, and secondly, I'm just gonna bring this together very loosely, and then I'm gonna put it into the tray. Excellent. See there, I've just literally poked it with a fork just to kind of stop it from rising all that much, okay? So the next step then is to put that in the oven. We're going to go for 180 Celsius for about 20 to 30 minutes. Just so that it's nice and golden. There, right? Lovely caramelly colour. When you move the spatula in the pan, it leaves a streak. See that? So we're looking good there. It took about 50 minutes to get to that consistency, but on a low heat. Make sure it's a low heat. But look, we're looking good. I'm really chuffed with that because this is the first time I'm actually doing this recipe, and for it to turn out like it has, it looks looks great. So guys, the last step of this process is, I think, the easiest, really, you know. So we've done shortbread, we've done the caramel sauce, and the last bit now is just chocolate. So all we need to do is melt some chocolate and pour it on top of it. We've let it cool down, so it's in the fridge. It's been in the fridge for about 20-30 minutes or so. Waiting for it to just kind of nicely set, so we can actually pour the chocolate on top of it. Yes! That's worked well. I'm delighted with that. So that will go back in the fridge for another 10-15 minutes just to harden up again. What, did you see that? Oh my god. I think it's our best, it's our best effort to date. So good. We're gonna let that harden up a bit and then we'll do a taste test. Yeah! Oh, yes. I'm so happy with these, right? Okay. Here we go. So good. So good. Oh my god. I'm thrilled. I'm absolutely delighted that we've actually managed to do these. With no fuck-ups. The shortbread is lovely. The caramel is fucking deadly. And the chocolate just to top it off. It's a winning combination. Now, it is not healthy by any stretch of imagination. This is a once in, I don't know, but it's very, very indulgent. You have to try these. I say this at the end of every video. You have to try these things, right? This is the first time, I promise you, hand on heart. This is the first time I've ever tried to make these. And you know, it's daunting, but if you do it or you give it a go, you might fuck up. You might not. And like, if you like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. Really want to kind of grow the Cooking with This Guy army. But that being said, thank you. See you again, and I'm gonna go back to finishing these off. So good. Thanks, guys.